Here we have oily type of skin. You can see that it's shiny a little bit, and I always start with hand sanitizer. I will work with only 1 feet, carefully apply it. The largest calluses we have here are located on the big toe. On the first metatarsal bone we have a U-shaped callus. Also we have between first and second metatarsal bone, and also on the heel a U-shaped callus as well. I will work with the sand bead number 11. Abrasive is 120 grit. And now I will ask our model to turn around. It will help us a lot. We will be able to see and reach all areas. I will turn the low speed and working in a rounded motions. I will first remove the U-shaped callus on the heel. I tried to switch to a larger size from 10 to 11 sand bead, but I recommend you to not use any bigger size than 11 as it might ruin the handpiece of your electric file. Follow the imprint of the skin. I carefully clean all the hard skin around the heel, cleaning all the calluses. This callus is pretty easy and most common. I'd rather say the most popular among the clients. Now to work on the other side, I will simply turn my hand around so I can work right here as well. I keep working until I can see that the callus is removed and the skin became softer. I cleaned the U-shaped callus on the heel. You can see that I didn't touch the pink skin. Now this area feels very soft, but I never remove it completely, and here's why. If I will remove the skin completely, our model will not be able to work tomorrow. It will be so painful, and even small cracks might appear. Your skin is good and elastic, but still we are not supposed to make it too thin by removing all the hard skin. After that, I will do the same thing on the big toe. The callus here is pretty small, so it won't be hard. When you work on the toes, always follow the lines you can see on the skin. It will show you the right direction. And I am not going to clean the whole feet, only the areas with the hard skin. The rest of the feet I can clean using a special foot scrub. It will allow me to soften and buff the areas after working on them with a sand bead. And now I removed all the calluses and hard skin.